So I'm doing a quick update on the Moringa and the Loofa that we planted 1 week ago today. Mitzi's laid up with a bum leg. She hurt her leg a couple days ago, and so that's why she's not doing the update. But I think generally she will be doing the updates on the Moringa and the Loofa. But like I said, it's been 1 week, and we had said last week that we were planting these particular items because they had a longer germination period. One correction on that. They don't have a long germination period, they have a long growing season. So they actually germinate fairly quickly, especially the Loofa. Out of the 6 seeds that we planted last Sunday, 6 of them have sprouted. The first one sprouted actually on Wednesday morning, so within 3.5 days basically, we had our first sprout. And then over the next couple of days, the rest of them came up, and I think the last one came up on Friday. So I'll show you a quick update on, or I'll show you a quick close-up on what they look like here in a few minutes. But yeah, all 6 have come up, and we'll have to do some thinning once we give them a little bit more growing time to get established. Now with the Moringa, that has taken a little bit longer to germinate. This one here in the center has got, it looks like a little bump here in the center where I think there might be one getting ready to pop up. And then on this far side one, we've got one little sprout that has popped up, came up on Friday. Well, actually we saw like a little bump there on Friday, and then it's popped through yesterday and has continued to grow a little bit more. So we got to give them some water today, but so far so good. While things have been very cold out this past week, I know many of you in the Midwest had temperatures that were like -50, -60 degrees. That's just crazy. So I hope you all came through that okay. We didn't quite get that here in the Mid-Atlantic. We did get one day where we were, I think at night we were -0, like -4 or something like that, below 0 with the wind temperatures, or the wind chill factor. But overall, while we had a cold week and 2 days it did snow on Tuesday, and on Friday we had snow, it wasn't quite as bad as what some of you out there have experienced. Now today we're up in the mid to high 40s, and by Tuesday it's supposed to be almost 60 degrees, and I think this week's supposed to be pretty mild, mid-high 50s with rain. So hopefully that means that we will get an earlier spring. I am ready to get on the garden. So I'll show you a quick close-up on what these look like, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.